to the final cooking video of the year! Can you believe it? That's right. Today we'll be exploring an old Italian meat sauce recipe with homemade pasta. That's right, you heard it right. We're doing homemade pasta and some sauce. So without further ado, let's get into it. Wow, you know what? It's as good as I remember it. Now, this is not a complicated recipe, but it does take some time. You know what I'm talking about. This recipe is important to me because as I've been continuing on in my culinary journey, this recipe really gave me the confidence to explore other things that may have seemed unapproachable at first, especially with the pasta, where I guess, to be honest, I never looked into the process for making pasta, where once you do, it's not that bad. It's a little extra. You know, if you're on a time crunch, just buy from the store, whatever your go-to box is. But if you got some time and, you know, like, it is cool, because I mean, usually most folks have flour, most folks have some eggs, and boom, you've got fresh pasta. When I first did this, I had the manual hand crank one, which is just fine, because that one's like 20, maybe $30. And that's the one that you can use. It's good when you've got a lot of other people. It's hard to feed it and crank at the same time, so that's where it can be a challenge. I did it, but it was hard. So if you want to be a little extra, you can use the KitchenAid attachment. It's not cheap, but it speeds up the process so much. But if you're gonna do one of these homemade pasta nights, I would 100% recommend putting people to work, because it's not that hard and it's kind of fun just getting everybody involved. And that does it! This is the final cooking video of the year, rounding out the full year of cooking videos each month. Overall, it's been a really fun year, and I'm looking forward to next year. Truly grateful for all y'all who tune in and check out these videos. I've still got one more hiking video coming out before the end of the year, so stay tuned for that. And I hope the holidays have been treating you and your families well, and looking forward to seeing more of y'all in 2023.